Look what we have here. Precious Piper has decided to give a demonstration of her wrestling skills, of her tackling and capturing prey. Now, this is real interesting. In case you ever have to do that, you can learn how. Look at this. See, she kind of backs off a little bit so that you don't think she's going to do anything. Yeah, that's what you're doing, isn't it? Oh, here we go. Oh boy. Yeah, she's not going to let that go, is she? Well, you aren't. Okay. She's going to take a break for a second here. There we go. There we go. Oh, I just love watching her do this. Look at that. Look at those back feet action. Oh boy. Here we have another pause. Oh, there we go. A pause. That's what she's using, is her pause. Now, here we go again. She has to think about it. Oh, now what's she gonna do to that, huh? What's she gonna do to that? Now, you wouldn't think much else is gonna happen, but that's not her way. She has that look like she's gonna do something else. Let's just wait a second, see what happens. There we go. Oh boy, the upside down hold. Oh, just kind of toss it away. Oh, oh, up on the desk. Up on the desk. Yeah, I had to edit this a little because there was a address showing on here. But anyway, you can still see the action. There she goes. There she goes. There, now she's gonna carry off her prey. Oh, there she goes.